Experian Boost is a service offered by the credit reporting agency Experian that allows you to add positive payment history for bills such as utility and phone bills to your credit report, potentially boosting your credit score. This service can be helpful for those with thin credit files or those who are looking for a quick way to improve their credit score. Experian Boost works by connecting your bank account and allowing Experian to scan your payment history for bills such as utilities and phone bills. If you have a history of on-time payments, this information can be added to your credit report, potentially increasing your credit score. While Experian Boost may be a helpful tool for some individuals, it's important to note that it may not work for everyone. Not all lenders use Experian's credit scoring model, and adding positive payment history may not have a significant impact on your credit score if you already have a strong credit history. It's also important to remember that Experian Boost only adds positive payment history to your credit report and cannot remove negative items such as missed payments or defaults. Additionally, Experian Boost may not be free, as there may be fees associated with the service or the bank account you use to connect to it. Overall, Experian Boost may be a helpful tool for some individuals looking to improve their credit score, but it's important to consider all factors and do your research before deciding whether to use the service.